Hello and welcome. We're just going to talk about Nintendo doing some naughty stuff with taking videos down of the Steam Deck and playing some Nintendo Switch emulated games. This was definitely one of the things that a lot of people, including myself, was waiting to check it out. Well, emulation in general. Obviously, Switch was a big one for a lot of people. For me, it was stuff like PS3 and Wii, PS2, Xbox, that sort of stuff. Just for the simple reason I've got a Switch and you can mod that if you want to as well, but it would have been nice to play it on here as well. But I wasn't as excited as I was about other emulators, but still was. I know a lot of people were. And a YouTuber by the name of FoxPHAWX got his hands on a Nintendo Switch. Bit jealous of that. Still waiting for mine. Luckily, mine is still in the Q2. Has not been pushed back to the Q3 yet. Hopefully, it doesn't. And he showed a video on how to get the Dolphin, emulator. It's not Dolphin. The Yuzu emulator up and running on the Steam Deck, so you can play Switch games. And he actually showed a bunch of games. So he showed Super Mario Odyssey, Super Mario 3D World, and even ARMS. Same creator also showed a screenshot of Metroid Prime running on the device too, but he definitely had these other games, and they showed sort of performance metrics as well, so you could see how well they were running. And the videos seems to have disappeared from YouTube. As of now, we don't know who has requested the takedown, and this is what we've got in terms of like a little bit of a Twitter post. Carrie Galom is the guy, the PHAWX guy, but I have diplomatic immunity. He's just basically saying, but so many games, it's all right for him to do it. You find that a lot with some of the most hardcore, want to say, piracy people or emulate people usually are some of the people that have the most games. I know myself, I love modding and doing that sort of stuff, and out of anyone that I know, I have the biggest game collection. Okay, so let's just continue. Okay, the fact that folks got this was what Ali RX was saying, guys using Yuzu and Dolphin on the Steam Deck videos taken down by Nintendo shows that they're not just against piracy like the fanboys drones thing. Nintendo is against emulation in general. They just proved it. In those videos, not once did he say that he condoned piracy. He didn't show how to download the ROMs from another site. He simply showed how to emulate the games on the machine. This is 100% legal, but Nintendo abused the DMCA system, and this is just plain wrong. And the thing is, it wouldn't be a surprise if Nintendo has done this, because it's not the first time that they've taken videos down. They've taken videos down featuring, I think Mario music and like just other specially emulator stuff as well. And so, so really, it's Nintendo is at it again. So yeah, they pulled some videos down. I was actually planning on, once I got my Steam Deck, to actually create some videos, around Yuzu, Dolphin, and playing different games. Really going in depth on it. Still plan on doing that, but let's see if the videos even make it live, or how long they stay live for. So yeah, that's the little bit of news. Nintendo has been pulling, or most likely Nintendo has been pulling down Steam Deck emulation videos. Yeah. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord group. There's a link in the description. If you like this news video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.